Yes, Ashna, go ahead.
Okay.
Mansi?
Good morning, everyone, and a warm welcome to all of you. I, Mansi Mohanan from Department of Management BBD ITM, cordially welcome you all to the national level debate competition on the topic Life versus Exams during COVID-19, organized by the Department of Management, Babu Banarasi Das, National Institute of Technology and Management, Lucknow. This program has been organized under the cooperation and guidance of Chief Patron Mrs. Alka Das Gupta Ma'am, Chairperson BBD Group of Education, and Shri Virat Sagar Das Sir, President BBD Group of Education. The patron of this program, Professor Dr. Bhavesh Kumar Chauhan Sir, Director BBD ITM Lucknow. The advisory of this program is Professor Dr. Manish Singh Sir, HOD Department of Management BBD ITM Lucknow. The organizing secretary, Dr. Shivangi Tiwari Ma'am, Assistant Professor, Department of Management BBD ITM Lucknow. And the student coordinators are Ashna Singh and Mansi. So, as we all know very well, that the pandemic has hit India's economy, our system, our processes like a ton of bricks, devastating millions of people who lost their jobs. As life slowly gets back on track, we are all struggling with an ever increasing number of coronavirus cases. The task of balancing life and livelihood was always the biggest challenge. But a new challenge has now surfaced as we unlock. Should we should we be holding examinations? Should the life of millions of students be put at risk? Now, I would like to call Ashna Singh. She will be giving details about the rules and regulation of this competition. Ashna?
Okay. Thank you, Mansi. Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine. Now, I will give you some instruction. So, here is rule number 1. Listen carefully when someone is speaking. Rule number 2. I will give you only 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, I give you warning bell and rest 1 minute, you conclude your content. Rule number 3. If you are not completed your debate under 3 minutes, then you are already disqualified. Rule number 4. On your video at the time when you speak. Now, I would like to call our respected jury member, Mr. Vinay Yadav sir and Dr. Shivangi Tiwari ma'am for giving a brief intro about the topic. Now, over to you, sir and ma'am.
Thank you so much, Ashna. I'm happy that I'm the part of this event, and the topic is very interesting: life versus exams, COVID-19. Yes, of course, it is a very burning topic, and I'm sure enough that every parents, teacher, and students correlate with this topic. Yes, of course, there is a lot of challenges, but I would like to say that wake up with the positive thought that today is a new day with the possibility of a new miracle. Each breath you take is a gift of God, so take nothing for granted. And now that every crisis or obstacle that comes your way today can be converted into a golden opportunity for progress. So, any obstacle or any crisis cannot bind us. As a human being, we should always progress and we should always face the challenges. By these lines, I'd like to give you all the all the participant a very best wishes and wish a very successful event. Thank you so much.
respected ma'am.
Oh, all right. Thank you so much, Ashna, for giving me this opportunity to judge the participant. On the behalf of whole BBD Group, Department of Management, BBD ITM, I welcome you all on this one-day national level debate competition on a very relevant topic, that is life versus exam during this pandemic time. I extend my deepest welcome to Chief Patron, and Advisory, our HOD Professor Manish Kumar Singh Sir, HOD Department of Management, Director Professor R.N. Yadav Sir, Director BBD ITM, and Professor Vinay Kumar Yadav Sir, Departmental in charge Department of Management BBD ITM. I also extend my greatest welcome to all the student coordinator, Ashna, Mansi, Ritik, Nimish, everybody who is always be with me at every event. I also welcome all the participants for your cooperation and active participation. With this, I again say you all the best, do well, speak well. With this, over to the anchors. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Before calling the participants, let me first introduce the panel of our esteemed jury. We are having Professor Vinay Kumar Yadav sir and Dr. Shivangi Tiwari ma'am, who will judge today's contest and select best of the best speakers. This morning, we all will be hearing 12 brilliant student speakers. I guess everybody is ready now. Now let the battle begin. I would like to call our first speaker, Anjali Maurya. Anjali Maurya. Anjali, are you present? Okay, moving on. I think she is absent. Okay, moving on to our next participant, Brian Anthony.
Yes.
Brian.
Hello. Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, you're perfectly audible. Go ahead.
A very good morning to all the respected teachers and my fellow students present here. Today, me, Brian Anthony, student of BBT ITM, Department of Management, will be speaking for the motion against the topic life versus exams. The pandemic has hit India's economy, devastating millions of people who lost their jobs. The task of balancing life and livelihood has always been the biggest challenge. But a new challenge has now surfaced. Should the lives of students be put at risk? A well-known fact, if there will be no life, there will be no exams. If exams are conducted, it would not stop the transmission of COVID-19, but eventually lead to an increase in numbers, which would have an impact on students' life and their families because they will get trapped by this deadly disease. We talk about India being a very progressive as well as a prosperous nation. How are we going to be prosper if we don't pay attention to the lives of our students who are going to be a human resource for our country in the future? The UGC and the government as a whole popularized the act, stay home, stay safe, yet they act otherwise. Where have they lost their humanity? Now, I know in a country, education is just for testing our brains and not for knowledge. Can they even guarantee us with proper jobs? If students get infected with COVID-19, will the UGC cure us? No, I'm not against the guidelines of UGC, but there shall be no exams because student life matters. Is it worth risking the life of students as well as the teachers by bringing them to the place of examination because they will get exposed to this COVID-19? I prefer to wait until the situation gets better and is out of danger and the whole community gets vaccinated. To conclude my debate, I would like to end with a statement, life of a student matters, so I believe there should be no exams. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Brian. I feel very contented by your views. Thank you. Now, I would like to call our next participant, Saurav Sharma. Saurav Sharma. Saurav. Are you there? Okay. Moving on to our next speaker, Abhinav. 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 So our next participant is Neetu Yadav. Neetu Yadav, are you present? Neetu, am I audible to you? Can you hear me? Further, I would like to call Kajal Singh. Kajal Singh. Kajal Singh.
Kajal is in the meeting. Kajal, unmute yourself.
Kajal Singh. Now, I would like to call Khushi Tiwari. Khushi Tiwari.
Yes. Hello. Hello, everyone.
Yes, yes. Khushi, go
Yes.
ahead. Continue. Go ahead.
Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Khushi Tiwari. Today, me, Khushi Tiwari, student of MBA at BBD ITM. My topic is life versus exam. Now, I'm against of the exam. I just want to ask from my government whether is one academic year is more important or the life of 1,000 of a student is more important. Who will take the responsibility? If a student become corona positive after the examination, then what? Then what will be the government do? Examination and COVID-19 is just like a suicide. I know that all the examination are important, but the government should understand now that our health is a real wealth. We guys are studying for the examination in the last 1 year, but I don't want that because all efforts are going waste. We are also number of coronavirus cases. That the task of balancing life and livelihood was always the biggest challenge. But a new challenge has now surfaced. Should the lives of a million of students be put at risk? Should we holding examination? No, I'm just against the examination. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Khushi. Now, coming up next is Abhishek Mishra. Abhishek Mishra. Okay. Abhishek, are you present? Okay, moving on to our 9th participant, Palak Gupta. Palak Gupta.
Yes, am I audible?
Yes, yes, perfectly.
Don't let yesterday take too much of you today. A very good morning to all of you present here. With that, I, Palak Gupta, will be speaking against the topic that exams should be taken. Why? Why exams should be taken? Exams should, we don't have, what the purpose of education if we don't have exams? It will surely waste time and money of the student. If we, and how will you compare Sharma ji ka beta with Agarwal ji ka beta? That is the Indian mentality. Apart from that, I do agree COVID exists. COVID, and in this pandemic, I do. In this situation, why? But we do always see. Why do you always see negative things? We can see positive things as well. Where in the modern era, where in future more emphasis is given on technology. In coming year, everything will be going to be digital. Even our prime minister used to say, work digitally. Online education is purely complementary to traditional classrooms education. And for the student who have given so much of their efforts and who have caliber to like get good marks, are given same marks as others. Why? I'm asking why. And think of the students who have taken education loan from the bank. Who will repay that? A delay in examination schedule is like a delay in repayment of loan. Interest over interest, burden over burden. Who will be going to repay that? Neither me, neither you. Exams are the great way to assess what students have learned with regards to particular subject. The postponement of NEET, JEE, and apart from that CBSE and ICSE exams, which are the base of the students, which are the primary pillar of the students, got cancelled. I'm asking why. I'm asking, this is the primary student in student life where he should decide what to do next. It's a great trick to student level of knowledge and
conclude.
Apart from that, I conclude with saying academic evaluation of student is a very important milestone in education system. The performance in examination give confidence and satisfaction to the student. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you, Palak, for your stimulating speech. Now I would like to call our next participant, Ayush Kumar Tiwari. Ayush Kumar Tiwari. Ayush, am I audible to you? Okay, moving on to our next participant, Aditendu Vikram Singh. Aditendu?
Yes, I am visible.
Yes.
Good morning, respected jury members and my dear friends. My name is Aditendu Vikram Singh, student of MBA first year, BBT ITM, Lucknow. I am against the examination during the COVID period. आज कोविड-19 का बहुत भयानक रूप से विस्तार हो रहा है हमारे पूरे देश भर में। अभी कुछ दिन पहले ही सेकंड वेव आई हमारे देश में कोविड-19 की और प्रतिदिन 3 से 4 लाख केसेस हमारे देश में आने लगे। तो इससे हमारी एजुकेशन पे बहुत ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट हुआ। आज स्टूडेंट हमारे परेशान हैं और 18 साल से कम है कि वो एग्जामिनेशन देने कैसे जाएंगे। अगर मान लीजिए वो जाते हैं एग्जामिनेशन देने, अगर उनको कोविड-19 हो जाता है तो कैसा उनको फील होगा, उनकी फैमिली वालों को उनकी प्रॉब्लम से सफर करना पड़ेगा, उनकी वजह से उनकी फैमिली भी डिस्टर्ब होगी। इसके लिए मेरा ये मत है कि एग्जामिनेशन नहीं होना चाहिए ड्यूरिंग द कोविड-19 पीरियड। इसके लिए हमें ऑब्जेक्टिव क्राइटेरिया पे वर्क करना चाहिए। जैसे सीबीएसई ने 2011 में सीसी पैटर्न का इंप्लीमेंट किया, मींस कॉन्टिन्यूअस एंड कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव इवैल्यूएशन का इंप्लीमेंट किया, मतलब सतत एवं समग्र मूल्यांकन का, कि उन्होंने वहां पे फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट बनाए कि मतलब कॉन्टिन्यूअस इवैल्यूएशन करते थे थ्रू द मिड टर्म एग्जामिनेशन थ्रू द फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट। तो हमें ऐसे मूल्यांकन पे भी काम करना चाहिए। हमें हमारी एक ही एग्जामिनेशन से हम किसी का भविष्य नहीं तय। साल के अंत में एक एग्जामिनेशन होगा बोर्ड, और जो अच्छे मार्क्स पाएगा वही आगे कैपेबल है। हमें बच्चे की पूरे बौद्धिक क्षमता का मूल्यांकन पूरे साल के 12 मंथ्स तक करते रहना चाहिए, मतलब कि साल के हर एक मंथ में बच्चों का इवैल्यूएशन करते रहना चाहिए। इसके लिए हमारी गवर्नमेंट यूजीसी, एआईसीटीई, बीसीआई, पीसीआई और सारी संस्थाओं को काम करना चाहिए। और जैसे इस बार प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में हमारे देश की गवर्नमेंट ने ऑब्जेक्टिव क्राइटेरिया पे मूल्यांकन 12th और 10th का करने का फैसला किया हुआ है कि इस कोविड-19 पेंडेमिक को देखते हुए, और हमारी गवर्नमेंट को ये भी फैसला करना चाहिए कि वो मतलब कि हमारी गवर्नमेंट को कोविड-19 के दौरान हमें एग्जाम नहीं लेना चाहिए और ऑब्जेक्टिव क्राइटेरिया पे मूल्यांकन करना चाहिए। इसके लिए हमारी संस्थाओं को यूजीसी, एआईसीटी, पीसीआई और बीसीआई को वर्क करना चाहिए। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, Aditendu, for your precious words and ideas. Further, I would like to call our last participant, Aditi Amit. Aditi Amit.
I'm audible to you?
Yes, yes, perfect.
We are in this together and we will get through in this together. Good morning, everyone who are present here. Today, I, Aditi Amit, Department of Management, BBD ITM Lucknow, presenting the statement Life versus Exam COVID-19. And I am with the favor of the exams that exams should be taken. As we all know, the spread of COVID-19 has sent shockwaves across the public health crisis, unprecedented in our lifetimes, and also the severe human sufferings and the loss of their lives. Education is an area in which all the governments intervene their funds and also they regulate the provisions of their services. In 2017, total public expenditure on primary to tertiary education as a percentage of total government expenditure was 11%. As we all know that the literacy rate of our India is very low. It is only 7.04%. And due to COVID-19, the area of education is affected very badly. All the colleges, schools, and universities were closed. Online classes are taking place rather than the offline classes. And also, the recent update is that 10th and 12th exams were cancelled. Exams is very important for every student. It shows their skills, their abilities, and also their knowledge. Exams helps in filterizations the genius one among the whole populations. And also, in our whole academic session, 10th and 12th is very important. 10th and 12th is the first pressure of our life. And after the 10th, the students are taking the further streams for their future. Now, I'm going to give you one example in Hindi. 4 कैटेगरी के स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं। पहली कैटेगरी में वो आते हैं जो पूरे साल पढ़ के अपने एकेडमिक्स में भी टॉप करते हैं। सेकेंड कैटेगरी में वो स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं जो एग्जाम्स के 6 महीने पहले या 7 महीने पहले अपनी स्टडीज को स्टार्ट करते हैं एंड वो भी अच्छा स्कोर कर सकते हैं। थर्ड कैटेगरी के जो स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं वो एग्जाम्स के प्रेशर्स की वजह से पढ़ते हैं और फोर्थ कैटेगरी के स्टूडेंट्स तो पढ़ते ही नहीं है। So I want to conclude by saying that exams is very important क्योंकि एग्जाम से ही हमको प्रेशर मिलता है, हमारे अंदर कॉम्पिटिटिव नेचर आता है। Now at last I want to say that study hard, stream out loud. We are the class of 10th that marks you proud. Thank you. Done.
Now we will be taking short break. You all have to join again with this same link.